Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss here about Google Sheet, that is conditional formatting, and how you do this drop down menu option, how you can do. So both I will discuss. First one I will discuss how you will make drop down option, and second one how you will do this conditional formatting on that. Open your Google Sheet through your Gmail, and I have already made one data sheet. This is student data, that student name, class, marks in history, marks in geography, marks in math, some sample data I have taken. Now here I have put like status. Now my question is that status means whether he has failed or qualified, like that I want to put. So normally in one way you simply will write here qualified, then again you write like failed, like this you need to put. Okay, we are habituated with this, but for big data you can't do in this way. You have to do in a very shorter way, so that you can do these things easily. In that case you have to open another one new sheet. Okay, I have added one sheet, that is sheet 2. Here you will write simply, suppose qualified and qualified, and another one is failed. Now again move to that previous sheet 1. Then you do one thing, you select this column and go to data. In that data, go to data validation. In data validation, first one you will see this cell range. Okay, you will find the cell range is F. So F2, from F2 I am taking. Next one is criteria. Here you will find many things are there, like list from a range, list of items, number, text, date, custom formula, checkboxes, etc. So no need to choose any other options. You have to fix with this first one only, the list from a range. Now go to the next one, that is enter a range or formula. Then see one box is there. Simply click on that. Now select a data range. So range you need to find. So which range I am taking? I am taking from sheet 2. Okay, from sheet 2 I am taking like qualified and failed. Okay, so from A2 to A3 I am taking. Now put OK. Okay, click on OK. Then you can see here one option, that is on invalid data. What you want, show warning or reject input. I am going to select this reject input, then save. Okay, then moving to sheet 1. Let's see one checkbox has, one drop down option has come. Simply I am dragging up to the bottom, and see in every cell you will get one drop down option. Now I am going to select, click on this. See, qualified and failed, both options have come. Okay, so qualified, suppose this is qualified, this one is qualified, this one is qualified, suppose this one is also qualified, this is failed. Okay, and this is also qualified. Okay, so below 60% is failed, means only from sample I am taking. Now say this is okay, but from this is means you can see this one is drop down list. But what I want, like I want to make it green, which one is qualified, and failed I want to make it red. Okay, so how you will do? In that case you need to do conditional formatting. So first select this this cell in status column, in F column you will get this, you have to select this one cell, then move to format, then click on the conditional formatting. Okay, so conditional formatting, here you can see this format rules, format cells is not empty. Okay, so here you will select, see so many options are there, you have to select only text is exactly. Okay, text is exactly, you put what you will put here, like qualified. Okay, exactly same way you need to write it, qualified, and qualified I want to make it green, right? So I have made it green. Okay, done. Now add another one rule for failed. Now see again, doing in the same way, text is exactly, next value, what value, like failed. Okay, failed, failed. Now this is a red. Okay, so done. Now see here, see this one, simply select it. Now suppose this 55 marks is failed, now click on failed, see automatically this red color has come. Okay, so this is the way you can do drop down menu, and you can do conditional formatting. This is very useful in Google Sheet and to track your data. So that's all, and thank you. I will give you more updates about Google Sheet, so keep in touch and kindly subscribe my channel so that I can share some new things, new ideas, and a few things I'm sharing in Bengali, so you can skip those Bengali, those who don't understand Bengali. And I'm going to make one video for kids as well, for computer science, so you can check those things for your kids. So thank you, and have a nice day. Thank you.